And now let's proceed to the next software. The name of the product is Square for Retail. And here are some features of the software. First, multi-channel selling. Square for Retail supports selling across various platforms, including physical stores and online marketplaces, ensuring the inventory is synchronized across all channels for a seamless customer experience. Second, demand forecasting. The software analyzes historical sales data to predict future demand, enabling business to make informed decisions regarding inventory purchases and stock management. Third, user-friendly interface. The platform is designed with an intuitive interface, making it accessible for users of all technical skills levels, which reduce the learning curve for staff. Fourth, integration with e-commerce. Square for Retail seamlessly integrates with the popular e-commerce platforms, facilitating streamlined order processing and inventory management across online and offline sales. Fifth, multi-location support. The software allows businesses to manage inventory across multiple locations, providing flexibility and control over stock distribution and sales operation.